viewers, என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க. இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 8 ஜியோகிராஃபி யூனிட் 8 மேப் ரீடிங் லெசன் புக் எக்ஸசைஸ் question and answer higher order thinking questions and additional questions for competitive exams. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, the subject which deals with map making process is dash. Option A, demography. Option B, cartography. Option C, physiography. Option D, topography. So here the correct answer is option B, cartography. Second one, a map that shows the physical features of an area is called dash. Option A, cadastral map. Option B, relief map. Option C, climatic map. Option D, resource map. So here the correct answer is option B, relief map. Third one, shallow water borders are represented by dash color. Option A, yellow. Option B, brown. Option C, light blue. Option D, dark blue. Here the correct answer is option C, light blue. Fourth one, the map which are known as plans are. Option A, cadastral maps. Option B, topographical maps. Option C, isoline maps. Option D, transport maps. Here the correct answer is option A, cadastral maps. Fifth one, actual distribution of population can be represented by dash. Option A, lines. Option B, shades. Option C, dots. Option D, counters. Here the correct answer is option B, shades. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, the globe is the true representation of the dash. Answer is Earth. Second one, a way of representing the spherical Earth on a flat surface is dash. The answer is map projection. Third one, a line that joins the points of equal elevation is dash. The answer is isoline. Fourth one, cadastral maps are usually maintained by dash. Government. Fifth one, dash map is focused on a specific theme. The answer is thematic map. Third Roman letter, choose the correct option which matches the following correctly. Legend, key of a map, northeast, 45 degree, counter line, brown color, cadastral map, taxation, Chorapith, thematic map. So the correct answer is option B, 41253. Fourth Roman letter, match the statement with the reason and select the correct answer. First one, statement. Small scale maps can show only major features. Reason. Due to lack of space, it shows larger areas like continents and countries. Option A. Statement is true but reason is wrong. Option B. Statement is wrong and reason is correct. Option C. Both the statement and reasons are correct. Option D. Both the statement and reasons are wrong. So here the correct answer is option C. Both the statement and reasons are correct. Second one, statement. The conventional signs and symbols are the keys of map reading. Reason. These symbols give a lots of information in a limited area. Option A. Both the statement and reasons are correct. Option B. Statement is wrong and reason is correct. Option C. Statement is true but reason is wrong. Option D. Both the statement and reasons are wrong. So here the correct answer is option A. Both the statement and reasons are correct. Fifth Roman letter, answer the following in one or two sentences. Question number 1. Define map scale. Question number 2. What is a physical map? Question number 3. Write a short note on map projection. Question number 4. Name the intermediate directions. Question number 5. What are the uses of a cadastral map? Sixth Roman letter. Distinguish between. First one, relief map and thematic map. Second one, differentiate large scale map and small scale map. Third one, differentiate globe and map. Seventh Roman letter, answer in a paragraph. Question number 1. Explain the different types of scales in detail. So we should explain about statement or verbal scale, representative fraction or ratio scale, graphical or bar scale. Question number 2. Describe the cadastral map and its importance. Question number 3. Write a paragraph about the conventional signs and symbols. 8th Roman letter, students' activity. Additional questions for competitive exam. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one. Map reading is the act of interpreting geographical information. Industrially, geographical information develops mental maps of the real world. Second one. Some of the components of the map are title and scale, legend and direction, source and map projection. Third one. Physical map shows dash, physical features. Fourth one. Scale is represented by dash, verbal, representative fraction, graphical. Fifth one, symbols in the key might be dash, pictures and icons. Sixth one, the source should normally be given dash outside the frame of the map. Seventh one, contextual symbols are decided by dash, cartographers. Eighth one, this symbol represent bridge. Ninth one, relief map show dash, landforms, deserts, mountains. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, a map is a dash representation of an entire or a part of an area. Visual. Second one, globe is the miniature form of the dash, earth. Third one, the art and science of map making is known as dash, cartography. Fourth one, the content of the map is revealed by its dash, title. Fifth one, a graphical scale looks like a dash drawn at the bottom of the page, small ruler. Sixth one, locational information of an area is given by dash and dash, latitudes and longitudes. Seventh one, different features on the map are represented by dash, conventional signs. Eighth one, cadastral maps are matter of dash record, public record. Ninth one, cadastry mean dash, register of territorial property. 10th one, general reference map do not focus any dash, specific theme. 11th one, map showing the distribution of soil is a dash map, qualitative map. 12th one, the distribution of atmospheric pressure is represented by dash, isobars. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, globe, model of the earth. Second one, source, bottom right. Third one, Chorapeth, per capita income. Fourth one, isotherms, temperature. Fifth one, many dots, eye concentration. So the correct answer is D, E, A, B, C. Fourth Roman letter, match the statement with the reason and select the correct answer. First one, statement. A map must indicate direction. Reason. By means of an arrow pointing to the north, the rest of the directions are easily located. Here the correct answer is option C. Both the statement and reasons are correct. Second one, statement. A dot density map is a type of thematic map. Reason. Each dot on a dot density map represents some amount of data. Here the correct answer is option B. Statement and reason are correct.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.